Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe. In this video, I'm gonna talk about MonetizeMore. Making money from your website or app using AdSense or AdMob is a great way to earn passive income. But if you are interested in seriously increasing your ad earnings, it can be tough to figure things out on your own. At least that was the case with me and lot of friends. So we start researching what other techniques we could use to make more money. We wanted to figure out if we should increase the number of ads, do we change the layout, stuff like that. And so, while exploring these options, we came across a rather ingenious one. Outsourcing the ad optimization process to a reliable ad revenue optimization partner that takes a huge load off our shoulders in terms of doing the heavy lifting involved in optimization and has a solid potential to increase our overall revenue. That's when we decided to try MonetizeMore. Choosing an ad monetization partner was not easy. A handful of them claim that they can improve our ad performance. Out of all the choices out there, MonetizeMore was an easy option for us. First of all, they have no lock-in contracts. That means we can go ahead and test how they perform and have the freedom to stop the partnership altogether if things don't go as planned. They work on revenue share business model, taking a percentage of the total revenue after they put in the work to help increase it. Also, MonetizeMore offers both web and app monetization solutions. 1,000+ companies all over the world, including Board Panda, Unicorn Studio, Vicatan, and Big 7 Travel using MonetizeMore for growth. You can work with them to monetize both your websites and mobile apps. They are also a Google certified publishing partner, which adds to their credibility and trustworthiness. But of course, what matters is that they deliver, and in our case, we saw a 3x revenue lift after 6 months of working with them. So if you are curious about how it all works and how to get started, it's really quite simple. All you need to do is go to their website www.monetizemore.com. On the website's homepage, you can see additional details about how they work, so feel free to explore those details. You can also see the minimum requirements for the different plans available. We qualified for the starter plan, where you would have to have at least $1,000 in monthly revenue. To sign up, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will ask to provide some information that will help them evaluate your application. Go ahead and type in your name. Next, please enter your email address so they can contact you and provide updates as needed. You would also need to input your website's URL, or if you are submitting a mobile app, enter the Play Store or App Store link for your app. Lastly, indicate how much revenue you have been earning from all your sites and or apps. Then click on Sign Up. This will be submitted to their team for evaluation, and in our case, we received an update within 24 hours. During this phase, they will screen the site or app for possible violations, and if everything looks good, a contract will be generated after speaking with some from their sales department. As mentioned earlier, they have no lock-in contracts, so the agreement will just have the information on when we get paid, what the revenue share is, and all those important details. Once it's all finalized, the onboarding process to get me set up on the MonetizeMore's platform gets rolling. The entire process took less than a week. After existing ad unit tags were replaced with MonetizeMore's tags. That's where the magic actually happens. Their tags are set up in my Google Ad Manager account. So yes, you need to have an Ad Manager account to work with them. And in there, my tags are set up to run Ad Exchange, different high-performing ad formats, and several exclusive features designed to increase my revenues. If your site or app qualifies for it, they can also hook you up with premium demand partners and ad networks aside from Ad Exchange to increase the value of your inventory. If you have a mobile app like me, MonetizeMore will also set you up with different ad formats, from display ads, engaging video ads, and programmatic native ads. Another thing that made working with MonetizeMore a lot easier is the availability and quality of support from their team. You can send them an email at any time and someone will respond back to you accordingly. They also have a live chat support during certain hours of the day, which is a great option to have. From screening to going live with their tags, you will get the help needed. The support and service after going live don't deteriorate either. Once you started earning, they have their own reporting platform where you can track your revenue, which is very convenient. From a publisher's perspective, the only downside I can think with the MonetizeMore is that they only work with mid-sized website owners and app developers. They do a screening when you submit your site, and if needed, you will be asked to provide that you are earning at least their $1,000 minimum revenue requirement. Other than that, I would strongly recommend giving them a shot if you qualify. The amount of time and effort they will save you so you can build better content for your user base and practically grow your business is worth it. In my opinion, if you have any questions, you can easily contact them through the link given in the description box below. Sign up now to supercharge your app or website revenue. That's it from my side. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any doubt, comment down below. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.